Today I will take you to an interesting investment destination at a pristine beach location in North Goa. Vagator Beach continues to hold to that spectacular beauty that is awe-inspiring to all who visit. The little village boasts quiet sandy stretches, cool blue Arabian Sea and stunning sunsets every day. The nearby party hotspots of Baga, Kalangut and Kandolim are now overrun with construction and traffic during the season. The best choice for North Goa's pristine greenery and virgin beaches are now Vagator and Anjuna. So, how important is Vagator to North Goa? Imagine the significance of BKC to Mumbai, Gurgaon to Delhi, Gachibowli to Hyderabad, Whitefield to Bangalore, Hinjewadi to Pune, Kakanad to Cochin, or OMR to Chennai. That's what Vagator is to North Goa. Goa Junction at Vagator Crossroad, North Goa is brought to you by SSK Divine. Goan Realty is like the proverbial pie. 85% is a no development zone. Out of the remaining 15%, 8% is already occupied and 4% is tied up in litigation with complicated Portuguese laws. The remaining 4% that is up for grabs ensures extraordinary capital value appreciation in the future. Besides land scarcity, the FSI in Goa is 0.8 and it takes a long time to get a construction license. Goa Junction gives you this opportunity through a serviced apartment concept managed by a professional hotel operator coupled with commercial space. You can now own a piece of Goan real estate spread across 3,000 square meters. The swimming pool is comparable to any starred hotel facility. Visitors and occupants can avail of the ample parking space. And commercial spaces are being sold by invitation only. Compared with investing in Mumbai, where resale demands for apartments are local, your Goa apartment will attract global resale offers. And appreciation of real estate in Goa is guaranteed, particularly in Vagator, thanks to its beautiful beach, coastline and dense greenery. Rental income at Goa Junction will be very attractive due to rapidly increasing domestic and foreign tourism, especially after the recent e-visa facility was opened to 150 countries. Welcome to Goa Junction. Let's see one of the apartments here. This beautiful apartment comes fully furnished and will be maintained by a hotel operator. We are now looking at a 2 BHK apartments, whereas you also have a choice of 1 BHK apartment with similar features at Goa Junction. So, how does this investment work? Each spacious apartment at Goa Junction will be sold to investors like you. The professional hotel operator will run the entire project as a serviced apartment hotel and will share the rentals with you through revenue sharing. So why should you only choose Goa Junction to invest in North Goa? Why? Because it's the undisputed party capital of India. Only a few minutes away are major tourist haunts such as the Sunburn Venue, 4 minutes, Club NYEA, 8 minutes, Thalassa Restaurant, 5 minutes, Chronicle, 4 minutes, Waters, 5 minutes, Club 9 Bar, 4 minutes, Kadzensu, 2 minutes, Hilltop, 5 minutes, Mango Tree Bar, 5 minutes, Guru Bar, 5 minutes, Hendrik, 4 minutes, Cafe Lambretta, 6 minutes, Cafe Lilliput, 8 minutes, Club Cabana, 8 minutes. Saturday Night Market, 6 minutes. Anjuna Wednesday Flea Market, 6 minutes. Arpora Monsoon Park, 7 minutes. Anjuna Water Park, 5 minutes. This isn't just any investment. Goa Junction is a chess move for the future. Be a winner all the way with Goa Junction.